Students, we are solving next question, question number 6-4. X, write x minus 2 by 3y to the power q in expanded form. So as we know the identity in previous question, we are having the x plus y to the whole q identity. Now here we are using here minus sign because in the problem it is given x minus 2 by 3y. So as we know the identity, x minus y to the whole q is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy in bracket x minus y. Everybody has to learn all the identity for the exercise. So now, in place of x minus y, here we are having the question, we will write the question again, x minus 2 by 3 y to the power whole cube. So here, x is equal to again x, but y is equal to minus 2 by 3 y here. So x or y, we are converting the equation in this standard form, x cube minus y cube minus 3xy, x minus y. So in place of x we are having x, or in place of y we are having y. So we will write x cube means x to the power whole cube minus, in place of y we are having 2 by 3y. So we will write 2 by 3y to the whole cube, or minus, we will write here minus 3 into x is x here, y is equal to 2 by 3, y we have written. Now use the bracket and again write x. So x is equal to x or y is equal to 2 by 3y. So we have settled the right hand side of the identity here. Now we are trying to solve it. So x cube, x to the power whole cube is equal to x cube minus 2 by 3 whole cube means 2 into 2 into 2 or 3 into 3 into 3 times, or y will be multiplied 3 times, so it is y cube. Or now minus 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6, 6xy upon 3, 3 2s are 6 upon 3 or xy. And now we will write x minus 2 by 3y. Or in the next step of problem, we will solve x cube minus 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 or 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 y cube. And here 3 2s are 6, so 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So here 2xy and x minus 2 by 3y. And again resolving the step, x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube. Or now 2xy will be multiplied to x, so 2xy into x. So into x into x square here. Or minus, if we will multiply minus or plus, so we are getting minus here. Minus will be multiplied to minus, so that sign will become plus. Or now 2xy into 2 by 3y. So minus or minus will be multiplied, it will become plus, or 2xy will be multiplied 2 by 3y. Now next step, x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 2x square y plus 2 2s are 4, we will write 4, and upon 3x or y into y square. Or it is the solution of given problem x minus 2 by 3y to the power whole cube. Or definitely it is the answer of given question. So student, we will solve now question number 7. Evaluate the following using suitable identity. So question number 1 of question number 7 is that 99 to the whole cube. We are having to use suitable identity, not directly you have to solve the question 99 to the power cube. So here we can write 99 as 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. So we can write 99 is equal to 100 minus 1 whole cube. Now we can apply the identity like that, x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. So here x minus y will become like 100 minus 1. So x is equal to what? X is equal to 100 here, or y is equal to 1 here. So we will expand the term or expand the identity like that. X cube, in place of x cube we will write 100 to the power whole cube minus y is equal to 1. So 1 cube minus 3 into x into y. So x is equal to 100 or y is equal to 1. So 3 into 100 into 1, or x minus y, 100 minus 1. Now 100 to the power cube is equal to 100 into 100 into 100, or minus 1 to the power cube means 1. We can write, or minus 3 into 100. So 300 into 1, 300, or 100 minus 1. Now next step we will write like that. So 100 into 100 into 100. So we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1 minus 300 into 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. So we will solve again. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 60 minus 1, or minus 300. 3 9s are 27. Carry 2, 3 9s are 27, or 2, 29, and you will write double 0. So we can solve like this. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus, we can write this one, minus 0, 0, 7, 2, 9, or again minus 1. So minus 1, if you will add both the value, we can add, minus 1 will be added to 297,000. So we can write 297,001, because both are minus, so value will be added, but sign is minus. Now we will solve it. 10 minus 1, 9, 9 minus 0, 9, then 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 9 again 0, 9 minus 2 is equal to 7, or 9. So 97, 9,70,299. So if we will solve 100 minus 1 is equal to, again we can write 99 whole cube, which is equal to how much? 99 whole cube is equal to 99,70,299. It is the answer of given problem. So student, next problem we will solve of question number 7, 102 to the power whole cube. So we can write 102 as 100 plus 2. 100 plus 2 is equal to 102. So we have converted 102 is equal to 100 plus 2 to the power whole cube. Now we know that the identity x plus y to the power whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y. So in place of x plus y we have written 100 plus 2. So x is equal to, suppose 100, or y is equal to 2. So in place of x cube, y cube plus 3xy x plus y, we will put all the value of x and y. So x is equal to 100. So we will write 100 to the power whole cube plus y cube means 2 to the power whole cube plus 3xy. So 3 into x is equal to 100, or y is equal to 2. So we will put all the values and then x plus y. X plus y is equal to 100 plus 2. So 100 plus 2 whole cube is equal to 100 cube. That means 100 will be multiplied 3 times. 100 into 100 into 100. And 2 will be multiplied 3 times. So 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. Now 300, 3 into 100, 300. Or into 2, 300 2s are 600. Then 100 plus 2 we have written. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 zeros we have written here, plus 8. Then 600. 600 will be multiplied to 100. So 600 will be multiplied to 100. 20 or 20. 40. 600 will be multiplied to 100. So it will become 60,000 it will become. Or 600 2s are 1200 we have written. Again it will be multiplied to 2. 600 into 2, 1200. Now we are having the long addition. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we will write this one. How many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then write down 6 here. Then 1200. 1200 we have written, or then last one 8, or we will add all the values like this. So we will add 8, 0, 2, then 1, 6 and 10. So it is 100 plus 2. That means 100 plus 2 is equal to 102. Again we write 102 whole cube is equal to, so 102 whole cube is equal to 1061208. So that means 10,61,208. It is the answer of given problem. Without multiplying directly, we have used the identity here 100 plus 2, so 1061208. It is the solution of the problem. So in this question, after you have made a choice, इसका मतलब ये है कि यदि आपने कोई चॉइस अपनी बना ली है, एक चॉइस, और डू यू ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट व्हाट माइट हैव बीन, और क्या आप यू ऑलवेज थिंक, और उसके बारे में आप हमेशा सोचते रहते हो कि अबाउट व्हाट माइट हैव बीन, तो उसके बारे में क्या हो सकता था, क्या किया जा सकता था, तो क्या आप रियलिटी को स्वीकार करते हो। तो इसमें एक एग्जाम्पल है कि इसमें जो बात बताई गई है कि आफ्टर यू हैव मेड अ चॉइस, तो अपनी एक चॉइस बनाने के बाद हमेशा हम उस बारे में सोच सकते हैं कि आखिर और क्या किया जा सकता था, और उस कंडीशन में हम अपनी रियलिटी को या वास्तविकता को स्वीकार करते हैं या नहीं। इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब ये है। तो फॉर एग्जांपल अपन यहाँ ये समझ सकते हैं कि जैसे कोई एक लड़की है तो वो हीरोइन बनना चाहती थी, तो हीरोइन बनना चाहती थी तो पर वो हीरोइन बन नहीं पाई। वो हमेशा सोचती रही हीरोइन बनने के लिए, बट वो हीरोइन नहीं बन पाई। तो व्हाट माइट हैव बीन, तो और क्या वो बन सकती थी, वो हमेशा वो सोचती रहती है। और उसने रियलिटी को, डू यू एक्सेप्ट द रियलिटी, तो क्या आप इस वास्तविकता को स्वीकार करते हैं या नहीं, इसका मतलब ये। Now we are solving question number 8, 4,000. So we are having the problem 64aq minus 27bq minus 144a square b plus 100ab square. So we have to factorize this equation or this polynomial. So we know the identity. In previous classes we have also discussed about the identity aq minus bq minus 3ab, a minus b is equal to a minus b whole cube. So in previous question or in previous problem we have written a minus b whole cube is equal to aq minus bq minus 3ab bracket a minus b. So you can interchange the side and you can write the identity like this, because we have to convert this polynomial into the form of this identity and we can get the solution like this. So here if we will write again aq minus bq minus 3ab, 3ab will be multiplied to a, so minus, or here plus sign, minus plus is equal to minus, so 3a into a square b, or minus minus will become plus, 3ab square is equal to a minus b whole cube. So this question is given in this form, or we have to convert into this form. So that is the problem we are facing. So we will write in the question again 64aq minus 27bq minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. Now we can convert it into whole cube. So 4a whole cube, aq is equal to aq, you can take of 4 just 16, 4 just 64, and here 3b we can write 27 into the form of 3b to the whole cube, so b to the power cube b cube, and 3 3 is a 9, 3 is a 27. Now we can write it is the question, it is in the form of it is a or it is b. So here suppose it is a or it is b. So a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b. So write down here 3b Then after a square, so a square we have written, then b, 3b. So all this is the product of 3a square b. Now we will write 3ab square. So 3a, what is 4a, then b is equal to 3b. So if you will multiply or if you will product these numbers, so you will get the previous step again. So 4q is equal to 64aq, 3bq is equal to 27bq, 3 4 ja 12, or 4 to the power 2 means 16, 16 3 ja 48, 48 3 ja 144, a square b you will get, or here 3 3 ja 9, and 3 4 ja 12, 12 9 ja 108 you will get here. So we can write the equation is in the form of a minus b whole cube. What is the solution of this? A minus b whole cube. So we will written here, in place of a we are having 4a, or in place of b we are having 3b whole cube. It is the formula, or now it has been factorized, so we can write it 3 times, 4a minus 3b, 4a minus 3b, or 4a minus 3b. So it may be the also answer, but sometimes in answer sheet it is given 4a minus 3b, 4a minus 3b, or 4a minus 3b. So it is the solution of the. Now we are solving question number 8, fifth option, 27pq minus 1 upon 216 minus 9 by 2p square plus 1 by 4p. So we are looking the equation again is in the form of identity, aq minus bq minus 3ab, a minus b. Again multiplying minus 3ab inside the bracket, so we will get minus 3a square b, or minus minus plus 3ab square is equal to a minus bq. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि हमको इस इक्वेशन को इस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करके लास्ट में फैक्टराइज करके a माइनस बी होल क्यूब के रूप में लिखना है. तो राइटिंग द प्रॉब्लम अगेन, और वी हैव रिटन 27pq minus 100 216 9 by 2pq plus 1 by 4p. So here it is 3. We can write 27pq as 3p to the whole cube, because 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27. Up now point 1 upon 216. So we can do here 216. So how? So 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 3, 9 ja or 3 3 ja or 3 1 ja. We have done the LCM of 216, or we have factorized 216. So we will get 2 into 3, 2 into 3, or 2 into 3. That means 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3, that means 6 to the power q. So 1 upon 6 to the power whole cube we can write of 216, or 1q is equal to always 1, but 6q, 6 to the power 3 is equal to 216. Now again look the identity 3a square, so write down here 3a square, that means a is equal to 3p here, 3p whole square, then put the value of b here, b is 1 by 6. So if you solve it, if you simplify it, so you will get 9 by 2 p square. You can solve it. So here we can solve it, 3 into 3p square whole cube into 1 by 6. So 3 or into 9p square into 1 by 6. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So you will get 9 by 2p square. Similarly, if you will solve 3 into ab square. So here a is 3b we have written, and b square is equal to 1 by 6 square. So if you simplify it, so you will get the previous term 1 by 4p. So this is the rough work. If you want to do, so you can do in beside your worksheet, or it is back side of your copy. So 3p whole cube minus 1 by 6 whole cube. So it is the formula. The identity will become, or factorize, so it will become a minus b whole cube. So we will return in place of a. A is 3p, or b is 1 by 6 whole cube. So we can write, this may be our answer. But if you want to write, so you can write 3 times 3p 1 by 6, 3p minus 1 by 6, and 3p minus 1 by 6. It may be the solution, or it It is the solution of this problem. Student, now we are having question number 9, x cube plus y cube, x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. So we have to verify it. That means if we will take right hand side to try to convert right hand side into left hand side, or if you are taking left hand side to try to convert left hand side into right hand side. So I am looking the easier way. We should take right hand side, or we will try to convert right hand side into left hand side. That will be the solution of verification of such kind of problem. So we will again writing right hand side x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. Now do the multiplication of product. X will be multiplied to whole bracket, x will be multiplied to x square minus xy plus y square. Or here y will be multiplied to again to the whole bracket, x square minus xy plus y square. Now do the product, x into x square, x cube minus x into x square y plus x y square, or multiply here y into x square minus x y square, or plus y into y square is equal to y cube. Now x cube minus x square y plus x y square, or we can write yx square, x square y. You can write yx square is equal to x square y. We have written x square first, then y after it, then minus xy square plus y cube. Now similar term we are having x cube minus x square y. Here it is minus sign, or here x square y is plus sign. So both can be cut 0, or x y square or minus x y square. So they also cut by each other. So we will get 0 here. So last term we are having x cube plus y cube, or it is equal to left hand side. So it is the verification we have to prove. So proved. It has been proved. Now we are having problem question number 10. Factorize 27y cube plus 125z cube. So we know the identity as previous question. We have solved the question x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. We can write the identity in the form of a and b. So a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, and another bracket a square minus ab plus b square. So we have to convert this equation into the form of a plus b, or a square minus ab plus b square, or x plus y, or x square minus xy plus y square. So how to solve? We will write question again. Writing question again. So we will get 27y cube plus 125z cube. So can we write it like this? 3y to the whole cube, or plus 5z to the whole cube. Because 5 5 is 25, or 25 5 is 125, or 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27. So we have to convert this. It is like x cube or y cube. We can written it is x or it is y, or we can write also a b in the form of a and b. So we have written a and b. So we have to convert it into a plus b. A plus b, how we will write? 3y plus 5z, or a square minus ab plus b square, or a square is equal to 3y to the whole square, and minus ab 3y into 5z, or plus b square. So b square is equal to 5z to the whole square. We have written like this. Now we will solve next step. So 3y plus 5z, or here 3y to the whole square. 3 3 is 9, or y square is equal to y square minus 5 3 is 15 y z, or plus 5 5 is 25 z square. So definitely we have converted 3y whole cube plus 5z whole cube into the form of a plus b or a square minus ab plus b square. So now we get the solution, or it is the answer of given problem, or it is the factorization of the 227y cube plus 125z.